In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder Confluence pages, streamlining your digital workspace and improving the efficiency and organization of your team. Whether you're new to Confluence or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. To begin, let's first navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is the central hub for all your workspaces and projects, and from here, you have the power to manage and customize the structure of your pages. A well-organized homepage reflects directly on how effectively you and your team can navigate and work through different project elements. The next step involves choosing your workspace. Your workspace can be thought of as a digital filing cabinet, where you store relevant project documents, ideas, and collaborative notes. Selecting the right workspace is crucial because it houses the hierarchical structure you are aiming to refine. Once you've opened your desired workspace, the real magic begins. You will see a list of pages related to your current projects. These pages might include everything from strategic plans to detailed reports. To reorder them, click on the page you wish to move, and with a simple drag and drop motion, you can rearrange these elements to fit your preferred sequence. This functionality allows you to easily prioritize the more frequently accessed documents or position the most crucial pieces of information at the top. When you drag and drop, consider not just the current priority, but also the logical workflow. Ask yourself where each page naturally fits to aid in your team's navigation. Does it make sense for a summary page to come first, with detailed reports following? Align the sequence in a way that optimizes efficiency. After you have reordered your pages, take a step back and review the new layout. This process is all about creating a structured digital space that aligns with how your team operates. A thoughtfully organized workspace not only saves time, but also reduces the chance of miscommunication, as everyone is clear on where to find necessary documents. Finally, remember that organization is a dynamic process. Project priorities shift, and so should your page order. Revisit your Confluence pages regularly to make any necessary adjustments and ensure ongoing alignment with your team's evolving goals and strategies. By following these steps, you'll be able to master the art of ordering pages in Confluence, enhancing your productivity and making sure your team's workflow is as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!